Unlock deeper sleep and better health with this amazing superfood. Sleep is one of the most essential aspects of life. It's something that we all know we need, but we often take it for granted. We spend a third of our lives sleeping, yet many of us struggle to get the quality sleep our bodies truly need. From the moment we close our eyes at night to the time we wake up, there is a multitude of vital processes taking place in our bodies. Our cells are repairing, our hormones are adjusting, and vital functions are occurring that allow us to perform at our best during the day. Without enough quality sleep, however, all of this suffers. A lack of sleep affects everything from our mood to our cognitive function. It's not just about feeling tired. It can lead to serious hormonal imbalances, disrupt neurotransmitter functions, and leave us battling anxiety, stress, depression, and even brain fog. We all know how frustrating it is to wake up feeling groggy, sluggish, and irritable. It's almost like you're trapped in a cycle of exhaustion, unable to fully recharge. But what if there was a simple, natural solution to improve your sleep and overall well-being? What if you could balance your blood sugar, boost your energy levels, and improve your heart health while sleeping deeper than ever before? Today, I'm going to introduce you to an incredibly powerful superfood, chia seeds. Yes, you heard that right. Chia seeds are much more than just a trendy addition to your smoothie bowl or salad. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients and offer a range of health benefits that go far beyond what you might have imagined. Chia seeds have been used for centuries for their health benefits, and modern research continues to confirm their incredible potential. The hidden benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with nutrients that can help support a healthy body in numerous ways. These tiny seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health, brain function, and overall cellular health. Omega-3s are crucial for maintaining a healthy balance in your body's inflammatory response, improving cognitive function, and promoting heart health. But that's just the beginning. Chia seeds are also rich in fiber, protein, calcium, magnesium, and iron, all of which contribute to their superfood status. But what makes chia seeds particularly remarkable is their ability to help with blood sugar regulation, satiety, digestion, and even weight management. When you consume chia seeds, they swell up to 10 to 12 times their size when mixed with liquid. This is because chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which forms a gel-like substance when hydrated. This process is incredibly beneficial for your health in several ways. First, the gel-like consistency created by chia seeds helps slow the absorption of sugars into your bloodstream, which can prevent blood sugar spikes. For those struggling with blood sugar imbalances, chia seeds are a natural way to regulate glucose and insulin levels. This means your body becomes more insulin sensitive, allowing the cells to absorb glucose more efficiently without requiring as much insulin to do so. The power of tryptophan for sleep. Now, let's talk about one of the most powerful sleep-promoting benefits of chia seeds. You've probably heard of tryptophan, an amino acid found in foods like turkey. It's often associated with that post-Thanksgiving meal drowsiness. Tryptophan gets converted into serotonin, a neurotransmitter that is responsible for regulating mood and sleep. Serotonin, in turn, is converted into melatonin, a hormone produced by the pineal gland that helps regulate our sleep-wake cycle. Chia seeds contain over twice the amount of tryptophan found in turkey, making them an excellent natural sleep aid. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you can boost your serotonin and melatonin levels, ultimately improving your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. The best part is that this process happens naturally in your body, no need for artificial sleep aids or medications. How chia seeds improve your health beyond sleep. Aside from promoting better sleep, chia seeds offer a range of health benefits that can improve your overall quality of life. For one, they can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, triglycerides, and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, a condition where the arteries become clogged with plaque. This is because chia seeds are rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which support proper cardiovascular function. Additionally, chia seeds can support healthy digestion. The high fiber content in chia seeds promotes regular bowel movements, reduces constipation, and can even help with bloating. As the seeds swell up in your digestive tract, they create a sense of fullness, helping to curb overeating and control hunger. If you're looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, chia seeds are an excellent choice. Their ability to create a feeling of fullness, along with their blood sugar regulating properties, can help you reduce cravings and prevent overeating, making it easier to maintain a balanced diet. But that's not all. Chia seeds also have a detoxifying effect on the body. When you add chia seeds to water, the soluble fiber helps cleanse the digestive system, flush out toxins, and improve overall gut health. This is particularly beneficial for your liver, which plays a critical role in detoxification. A simple, effective way to enjoy chia seeds. Incorporating chia seeds into your routine is easy. One of the best ways to enjoy chia seeds is by making a simple chia water drink. Here's how you can do it. 1. Take 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and add it to a glass of water. 2. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. 2. During this time, the chia seeds will absorb the water and expand into a gel-like substance. 3. Optionally, add a squeeze of lemon for an extra detoxifying boost and a touch of honey for natural sweetness, if desired. 4. Drink this chia water about 15-20 minutes before bedtime. As you sip on your chia water, the tryptophan will begin its journey to convert into serotonin and melatonin, helping you wind down for the night. The fiber will also help regulate your blood sugar levels, reduce hunger, and keep you feeling full throughout the night. It's important to note that while chia seeds can help improve your sleep, it's equally important to create a sleep-friendly environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Avoid exposure to blue light from your phone or computer at least an hour before bed, as blue light can interfere with melatonin production. With these small changes, you'll set yourself up for a deeper, more restful sleep. What else can chia seeds do for you? Beyond supporting better sleep, chia seeds can also benefit other areas of your health. Here's a quick rundown of just some of their benefits. 1. Improved digestion. The fiber content in chia seeds promotes healthy digestion, reduces bloating, and supports regular bowel movements. 2. Heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds help reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. 3. Weight management. Chia seeds can help curb your appetite, reduce cravings, and keep you feeling full longer, making them an excellent addition to any weight loss plan. 4. Bone health. Rich in calcium and magnesium, chia seeds help support strong bones and prevent conditions like osteoporosis. 5. Blood sugar regulation. As mentioned earlier, chia seeds help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of sugars into the bloodstream. 5. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those trying to maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. 6. Boosted energy levels. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats in chia seeds provides a sustained energy source, helping you stay energized throughout the day without the crashes that come from sugary snacks or caffeine. 7. Skin health. The antioxidants in chia seeds help combat oxidative stress and promote healthy, youthful-looking skin. A few final words. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine is one of the easiest and most natural ways to improve your sleep and overall health. Whether you're looking to regulate your blood sugar, boost your energy, improve your heart health, or simply get a better night's rest, chia seeds are a powerful tool you can use to optimize your health. I encourage you to give chia seeds a try, especially before bed, to experience their calming, sleep-promoting benefits. Make sure to pair them with a sleep-friendly environment. Keep your room dark, avoid blue light, and allow yourself time to wind down. If you're struggling with sleep or looking for a natural way to improve your health, chia seeds might just be the solution you've been looking for. Take the time to share this video with friends or family who could benefit from better sleep and improved health. And as always, leave your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how chia seeds have worked for you. Make it a great day and sleep well tonight.